Hello my friends, welcome back. My name is Krishan. Um, Come back with a new practical. So today our practical name is FreeIPA. FreeIPA. There are a few people, they don't know what is a FreeIPA. Okay, no problem. We will tell you what is the FreeIPA. Okay, introduction of the FreeIPA. FreeIPA is an open source security solution for the Linux which provides account management and centralized authentication. It's similar to Microsoft's Active Directory. FreeIPA is built on top of multiple open source projects including 389 Directory Server, MIT Kerberos, and SSD technology. Okay, what's a prerequisite? Both server and client's etc host file should be same, so you have to put the entries of the host name on all servers, both servers. Okay, so that it can bypass your DNS. Okay, if you have a DNS, you don't need to put this entry over there. Okay, SE Linux should be disabled. So it's just testing purpose as this is our demo, but I will not recommend you for the production. And IP table should be stopped, and the same, just as a demo purpose, so not recommend for the production. Okay, and install X forwarding for GUI. Yeah, your client machine should be in the same DNS as the server which you will be accessible. Your FreeIPA GUI console. Okay, what is use of this? And first I would tell you how to enable X forwarding. I will not explain you this in this video because I already create one video for this in a separate video, so you have to go through that. Okay, just you can go through with my channel, you will find it. And what will we use it? You can use it to access like a Chrome, like Firefox, GUI console. Okay, I will show you how to use it. Okay, now let's go for the next. And in our lab, before we start, let me tell you about my lab. 192.168.10.42 142, it is in my lab IP. Okay, now I just connect it. Okay, root Redhat. This is my host name, you can see that. Now it is the host. This is my example.com and server. I put the same entry would be on my client side also. Okay, and my client IP is 192.168.10.143, and this is my host name. Okay, these are the prerequisites installing the FreeIPA server. These are packages which we need to install in our server. Okay, so let's go to install these packages. Okay, I hope you can see the screen. Yum install IPA-server and IPA-server-DNS bind -YNDB -LDAP. I just type this and then type enter. Y stands for it will not give you, ask for yes, and it automatically install the package which is required to install your. Okay, it is installing, guys. I'm not gonna pause this video, just let's get installed these packages. Once this package will be installed, we have to go for another. Yeah, so then we have to install yum install FreeIPA-DNS, which is required because FreeIP will configure its own DNS. You no need to, configure your own DNS, and FreeIP will take care of that for you. Okay, so it will take some time, as per the speed of your computer and the speed of your server. So I don't have a good configuration, I believe. That's why it's taking some time, but let's take a time. Bear with me, guys. I will take hardly 1 to 2 minutes, not more than that. So after this FreeIP installation complete, and after this watch this video, you guys will able to know and able to manage your user through browser, like LDAP and Active Directory. It is if you saw my videos, I already configured one LDAP videos also there, and to be very frank, I found this is very easy as compared to LDAP, right? So I will, the guys those are a little bit lazy like me, they can go for this. Okay, now come back to the, now we have to install yum install IPA DNS server. Okay, why install IPA server DNS. Now it will install a few more packages. Yeah, great, it's installed. Now what is next? Now run the below command to configure FreeIPA. Run this command server IPA server install setup DNS. It will set up a DNS for you. Okay, now let's run the command IPA server install and set up DNS. Yeah, it's saying your IP already installed on your system. I already installed in this system the IP earlier before this practical, so let me delete that. Are you sure you want to continue with the installation? Yes, I am. It will take 1 minute, not more than that. So I want to do the everything from fresh, right from the scratch, so that you can understand how I configure it. I don't want like I suddenly open a browser and I say, oh, this is a FreeIPA. So you guys will saying, oh, where, how this person did this. So I don't want to give you a surprise. So let's take things slowly and step by step. Okay, so just bear with me, it takes some time. So this is not also part of my video, but luckily now you come to know how to delete your FreeIPA before you install it. Great, congrats. Okay, now let's go. And this, yeah, it's asking the host name. Yeah, this is my host name. Please confirm the domain name. Yeah, example.local. It automatically will pick up as per the host name of your server. Then press enter. Provide the reclaim name. Yeah, it would be same. Directory manager password. Okay, now let me type the password here. This user refer as a directory manager and has a full access to directory for the system management task, and will add it to the instance of directory server created for FreeIP. Password must be at least 8 characters long. So let me type a password: Redhat @123. Redhat @123. Admin password again, Redhat @123. It is a different. Okay, FreeIP required administration user also with admin. Do you want to bind configure existing bind configuration detected, overwriting it? Yes, I want to do this. Do you want to configure DNS forwarding? Yes. Enter the IP address. Now you have to skip here. Do you want to configure a reserve zone? No. So it's asking to you that this is the host name, IP address, domain name, and reclaim name. By name will be configured on server. Okay, do you want to continue with this value? Yes, I'm okay. Okay guys, now it's your, it will configure your free IP automatically. It will take some time, you can see that. It will take some time because it will configure everything, you know. You don't need to do anything. Like it will configure your LDAP, it will configure your proxy, it will configure your Apache, it will create your certificates, creating user management, everything it will take care automatically. Now you can even see during an installation, creating a certificates use server user, configure certificate server instance, right? Adding a master entry, initiating domain level, configure your applications. Let me pause this video till it's complete. Once this video will be complete, we will come back. Hello friends, welcome back. Installation complete. Post installation complete, we have to run the below command init-admin. As the guys those already work on the LDAP and Kerberos authentication, they know very well this command. Okay, so this is my FreeIPA server. I run the command init-admin. Post installation, this is my first command. I log in. This will just generate one ticket. You log in with this. Now you run a command FreeIPA-user-find admin. Okay, you will able to find the details of admin user here. Okay, so this is just log out from here. I just log in. It's so how can I log in here? So now you just go through with my after client side installation. Before client side installation, I want to show you the graphical. Now here you have to type just a local host and the server name, your https ip-server.example.local IPA, right? This is the URL. So I open this in my Linux server only with the help of this Mobextrom. As I told you in the starting of this video that we have enable X forwarding on this system. Okay, with the help of that we just install a package Firefox and then it's open. Because I don't have any DNS, because this FreeIPA work on DNS technology actually. Okay, now this is my login prompt. I have to just log in with the admin and a password which we set during the installation. So you can see that, let me delete it, there is one user. Okay, this is my servers. Okay guys, now these are the user. By default admin user would be there, user group, host, there's only one host, as this is a client server, IPS server. We will add a client in there. For that, like this, I don't got the video. Client installation, we have to install these packages on a client side. Okay, root yum y install bind -utils. The package is already there. Okay, yum install. Now you can, if you want to remove, let me remove this. I don't want utils. Remove it. It will remove it. Yes. So I want to install it again. Okay, now what I need to do, I have to install it again, and then what is the next IP? Is the start FreeIPA. Now we have to install star IPA and client. Yeah, I'm going to install this. Okay, you install these packages. Now you have to run the command client configuration that we just installed package. Now we have to configure client with FreeIP client -- install IPA install client install -- make home directory. Now it asking me my home domain name. So my domain name is example.com. It is .local. Now you can see here also in your host name it's example.local. So I run a command example.local. Now it's asking me provide the FreeIPA server name. I'm providing this server name. It's saying proceed with the fixed values, no DNS discovered. I said yes. Continue to configure the system with these values. So now you can see that my client host name is this, reclaim name is this, like reclaim is like a domain name, and then DNS and FreeIP. I said yes, I'm okay with these values. I said yes. So it was attempting to sing NTP timeout. So now it asking me to enroll a computer as like when we will join any Windows system with any domain. So it always asks prompt a password. Redhat edit 123. Now it's just creating some certificates, creating some configuration files. Okay guys, now it will take just a few minutes, not more than that. Okay, yeah, client configuration is complete. Now go to browser again. Now go here and go to hosts. Now you can see here is a one. Just refresh it. Wow, you have a client also there. Okay, you can see that. Now what we going to do now, we just create one user here, like here in my PPT. Verify the client information. You just console, login on console, localhost IPA, you tab user creation, go to free console and then to tab and add a new user. Type here. Now my username is like Apple, first name is Apple and iPhone, and password is APPLE. Sorry, let's type a simple password. Just add it. Okay, now I will log in on my clients. Just exit from client. Now just log in back on my client server 143. This is my client Apple. I type the password. So it's just creating a home directory. So it's asking me current password. As per the policy, you have to change your password on the first login. So I type this and I'm changing the password, so it will log out. Now let me log in again. sorry. Congratulations, you log in on this system. You can see that this is 143. Okay, now you just create a user on your FreeIPA and add the users once, and you can manage. So what is the last task which is required here? We cannot create, just log in the users, that's all. We want to monitor it, and we want to provide some sudo access. Okay, like give a one user have to log in with this, and then he can switch from sudo, right? So that he can do daily task, but everything will be logged, right? Because he log in with his name, right? Okay, so let me check first here. Sudo -su, I type this, I type password. It say Apple is not allowed to run sudo on FreeIP client. Okay, we have to provide this access to this. How we will provide this? First, what we need to do on a graphical level, Apple, this is my Apple. Now go to groups, I'm going to admins and add this Apple, just add it. Okay, now go to host, add host groups. How many hosts? I'm saying sudo -hosts, sudo host, add. Now click on sudo host, add, click this, add. You can create whatever I'm going to create now on a command line. You can do the same thing on a graphical also. Here policy, then sudo rule sudo, and add sudo rule, and you have to type the rule, and then it will ask so many entries. Okay, so as you know, I'm a Linux guy. I hate graphical actually. Okay, so let's come to the server. So I'm going to create a sudo rule here. So for that, what I need to do, first I have to log in with the admin Redhat 123. Okay, now FreeIPA sudo rule -add. Okay, new underscore sudo underscore rule. This is the name of my rule, new underscore sudo rule, and hyphen description equal to rules for new users, rules for sudo users. Okay, it's add. These commands I already write in my PPT, but I have sudo add user, where type the name of your sudo rule groups equal to admins. I saw the admin group, where type it, successfully added. Now IPA sudo rule and add -host new underscore sudo underscore rule -host groups equal to sudo -hosts. Wow. Now FreeIPA sudo rules -mod new underscore sudo underscore rule. It's rules, right? Yeah, rule -cmd equal to all commands. Yeah, category is all. Now FreeIPA, so sudo user should ask password like this. rule add hyphen option option in new underscore sudo underscore rule. It asks you authentication authenticate. Okay, now you can see command IPA sudo rule hyphen show new underscore sudo underscore rule. You can see all the information in this rule. The rule name is this, description is this, enable true, command all, admin groups, sudo, right, in the groups. Okay, now just log in with the Apple, right? Now we'll log in with the command line. So make sure before you do anything, make sure your Apple user is a part of admin group. Now you can see here admin groups, right? There is the Apple, then sudo rules. You can see there is one new sudo rules already automatically created, which is already assigned to this, right? And now if you want to see the sudo rules, you click on the sudo rules, right? Just refresh it. You can see new sudo rules already created. You can do this on a graphical also, but I feel comfortable in the command line, so I create it on a command line only. Okay, now let's verify does it work or not. Let's run a command first my ppt. So for this we have to login on this, so run these commands. I already run these commands. Now verify, just login with your users on a client machine. Okay, my client machine, login with the client. What was the user? I forgot the name of the user actually. Very short memory actually. Apple. Okay, thank you. Apple. Wow. I'm logging. Now I run the command sudo -su. It's asking me password. Okay, it will take some time to sync. Wait. It will take some time to sync your authentication with the LDAP server, FreeIP with the clients. Apple. It is not synced yet. Just hold on. It will take just a minute. Command get equal to all. Yes, the command is same. We want to just verify any commands we did not run properly. Yes, sudo rule sudo modo option this authentication. Yes, authentication is okay. That's why it's showing. Authenticate. Authenticate. Yeah, everything's okay. It should be work. Let me check it out again. Not 42. April. this is part of admin group or not. Let me delete it, then add it again with the group. I have tested. What's the problem? Just let me history, not delete it. It will sync some after some time. Okay, guys, wait 1 minute. No, I have checked this multiple time. It's work, just little hard this time. I don't know why, but it's take like 5 to 1 to 5 minutes, not more than that. Let me try to log in again. Not this. This Apple Airtel 1 2 3. Yeah. Let me type password. Wow! Congratulations! It's working now. Is this you are logging with sudo? Now let me check one more. Now I have to add one more user, like add this one more user. What do you call that? User Windows, not Windows is not good name. Yeah, any Smith. Okay, and Annie. Now I show you Annie 09 ANNE09. You have to set the rule once. From next time it automatically synced. No need to wait for that. Now let's NE09, right? Now just login, not this. Oh man, just login with this. Now NE, it will NE09. It will creating a home directory of this. It's ask it double NE09. Let me type the password, new password. Delete 1 2 3. Okay, password is set. Now just log in with again any new password. It's the first time only, okay? Sorry for that, it took some time. It's asking new password. I type, yeah, it's saying and is not allowed to run this command, okay, because she is not a part of admin group. Let me add her in our admin group. Okay, this is users. Now go to admin and add any type this. Okay, so make sure you log out your system with user. If you run this command here, it will not work because your policy will be synced when you log in again. Yeah, here it 443 any password Yes, login. Run the command sudo. Wow, now it's working. Congratulations. So I told you, when first time when you create a rule, it will take some time to sync, but not a long time. Okay, and it will sync. Now, so you don't need to do again and again this. What happened? Okay, one put is got disconnected. So now you don't need to do anything. You have a one rule. You have one group admin. Create user. If you want to create a simple user, you can create simple user. You want a sudo access, you can provide sudo access. Even you can provide access or users to with the limited commands, right? So you can, for that you have to just go through Google. You will help in this. Okay guys, this is all we have already done. So thanks to watch technical tech videos. Hit the like buttons, give your comments and suggestions, share this video with your friends, and subscribe our channel Technical Tech for get latest video. Okay guys, see you in next video with a new practical.
Please subscribe our channel Technical Tech. Don't forget to click on a bell button to get latest notification. Thanks. Have a nice day.